In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade with expert option. Now, the first thing you want to do once you actually sign into your account here, you're going to be able to select your account. So up top, you can select if you want your real or your demo account. I'm going to showcase this using my demo account here. And then you have to select what you want to trade here. So just click on this button up here and you can see you have the trading section and then the stocks section. So just select whatever you want. Like for example, if I go for Microsoft and I press confirm, then I go to trade top left, and then here I can basically place my orders. You can select the amount of lots you'd like to buy. You can see the investment over here, and whenever you click on place order, you can review everything. You can of course edit the stop losses, take profits, stuff like that. And then whenever you're happy, click on confirm, and your order is going to go through. You'll be able to see it here on the right hand side under deals. Okay, if you want to then close it, click here, press close position, and you're good to go. So just like this, as you can see, it's very easy. Now, of course, you could also go ahead and select something else. Like for example, we could do like Euro USD over here. And if you do that, you'll be then able to sell or buy, and you can select your investment down here. So you can just type in however you want. For example, $10 of investment. You can select the auto close timer here. For example, you have the basics here, and then you could also do a custom one if you want to. And after this, you can go ahead and buy or sell, and your positions are basically going to be open here. You can just close them whenever you want, and that's pretty much how you trade with expert options. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.